Hello, everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. Hope everyone is having a blessed day. I am blessed. I'm blessed. I'm blessed. So I'm getting ready to come to you today. I'm going to read my scripture first. I haven't pulled one yet, so I'll just pull one. Okay, and the one that I pulled is John 6:35. I am the bread of life. He that cometh to me shall never hunger. On the back of this one is Isaiah 30:15. 30:15. In returning and rest, ye shall be saved. Isaiah 30:15. Thank you. That is my scripture for today. Okay, I have only on one of my videos. Brian, you put the video. I have on one of my videos air fryer, chicken wings, and with brown sugar and honey, and also with the fries. And I have the chicken wings. So now at least I have about 2.5 pounds of chicken wings. These are a little bit larger than the ones I had the first time I showed them about a year ago. So what I'm going to do now, I have everything here that I normally use in doing the chicken wings. In my air fryer, I have had, this one was, it was a gift for me last year. Okay, it was a gift of the last about a year ago, and I did it on the Zoo Star. Okay, a grill. So I bought it back in today, and to let you see, because I know you all are still probably doing chicken wings and.
It's Z-Star Indoor Smokeless Electric Grill, Air Grill.
Okay. Z-Star. Okay. So, all right. So I have about, like I said, it's about 2.5 pound bags of chicken wings. These are kind of on the medium side. The other ones were smaller. So these are a little bit bigger, and I will probably have to cook them for probably about 35 minutes in the air fryer. So right now, I'm going to get ready to, let me get all of my ingredients here that I'll be putting on like I normally do all the time, and then I'll change them over to the other side. This is garlic powder right now. Okay. And this is my onion powder. Okay. I don't want that to fall out.
She using Little Complete, y'all.
Oh, this is a what?
Complete.
Complete, okay. I'm going to be doing the black pepper last because it makes me sneeze quite a bit. So I'm not going to use a lot. I'll put it on first because it makes me sneeze so much. I'm going to use less as I can. Okay. So now I'm going to turn them over. I'm going to, let me see. Maybe I'll put the honey on last. I don't want to put that on first. So a tiny bit of sugar. Tiny bit of salt. Not much at all. Also, the complete takes care of that. Okay. Okay, so now that's it. Now I'll put my, okay, so now I'm going to turn it over now. Let me get the paprika there. All right, I'm putting a little paprika on it now. So also, now I'm going to go back to putting my other ingredients back on this side.
Okay, y'all, she finished seasoning. I'll cut the camera off, right? She finished seasoning because y'all know the seasoning she's using. Okay, y'all, she put the same ingredients: complete garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, and onion powder on the other side.
Now I'm going to blend it in together, and then I'll be putting the honey in on first, and then I'll be putting the brown sugar last. Can't get it on here. I have two fingers in one. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So now I'm blending all this in. Make sure I have it all together. Did I put the paprika on? Okay. Okay, so.
Okay, y'all, I'm finna pour the honey on for her. Okay, y'all, I'm putting the brown sugar on too.
Okay, with the honey. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to go and turn the air fryer on. It has to be on about 3 or 4 minutes before it gets hot. I'm going to put it on crispy chicken, and then I'll be back as soon as it gets hot. Now, when I put it on, I'll show it to you when I'm going to put it on.
Yeah, we'll be back once you get all of them on the grill. Hold on. That smell good going on the grill. All the seasoning that was in the tray. So we'll be back once it's done. Thank you.
Okay, everyone. This is my final presentation of the air fryer barbecue. They call I'm calling them, well, they will smoke with the honey and brown sugar barbecue air fryer. This is the air fryer. They were all cooked in it, and also the French fries was cooked in the air fryer.
And it's the C-Star air fryer. How long you been having the air fryer? How long you been having it?
We had one for a year, but I haven't used it too much this year. But we used it last year quite a bit before I had surgery. But it's been put up, so I decided to do this because it's what we had done. The first one I did it, went to the review on it from the company. So I decided today this would be a good day because I know everybody's still using barbecue in air fry, well, deep fryers and all that, but I wanted to use the air fryer this time to see how I would like it. And if you all have an air fryer, it doesn't matter what kind. This was just the brown sugar and honey, and then with all of your ingredients, whatever you use for ingredients, that's what I put in there. And these were a little bit larger, so I had said it would take about 20 minutes, but it took about 40 minutes because the chicken wings were, I said it was 2 pounds, but it was about 5 pounds. So that's why it took a little bit longer, and I had grilled a little bit full because I was trying to hurry it up. So thank you so much. And I hope you all will use your air fryers, and hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you. And you have a very blessed day. And this is from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Thank you for all of my subscribers, supporters, memberships, and all the ones that's coming on, and the ones that's just joined lately. I appreciate you so much, and I love you all. Thank you so much, and may God bless you to have a blessed week, and I'll be back by the weekend. Thank you so much. Goodbye.